Hello my loves, welcome back. It is wonderful to see you today. I can't even tell you how excited I am for this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to do perfect glass skin with all non-toxic products, and this is a collaboration with my dear friend and makeup artist extraordinaire Carson Stern. I'm going to do the skincare portion and then she is going to teach you how to do a foundation free glass skin makeup look. They go perfectly together. You're going to look amazing, feel fantastic. Your skin is going to be hydrated, moisturized, protected. It is going to be next level. So if you are interested in skincare, makeup, all things non-toxic, please subscribe to my channel so I can just keep giving you all the videos you want. So I did the glass skin tutorial on my skin before. It looked parched and dry, and now it is looking absolutely beautiful. And there's a fire truck that's so excited that it's going for it. The horns are going off, the sirens are going off, all because of glass skin. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so before we get into the tutorial, I have to talk about the coffee train. I am back on the coffee train. I took like a 6-month hiatus just for my skin health, and I'm just not a big coffee fan in general because of the effects on the skin. It definitely contributes to my breakouts, skin irritation, all that kind of stuff. But the Dalgona whipped coffee trend, whatever it's actually called my name. I had to try it again, and before I went on my coffee fast, I always drank 4 Sigmatic coffee, which has like the same amount of caffeine as decaf, and it has tons of antioxidants and adaptogens. So of all the coffees, it's definitely my preferred #1. So I'm back on the train because I made a whipped coffee and fell back in love with the taste of it. So after I have a matcha in the morning, I'll make myself 1 iced 4 Sigmatic coffee, and it is so good. So if you're someone who drinks a lot of coffee and you're looking for a better option, or someone who just, wants just a little bit of coffee, like a little bit of bad girl coffee, it's really good. Plus, I've got a discount code for you. So if you want to try, you can use my code TheTrueSpoon for 15% off all of your 4 Sigmatic. Highly recommend. Okay, let's get started. So I cleansed my skin, took a shower, and the first step to getting what Korean beauty deems glass skin, aka just like perfect, flawless skin, is really hydrating and moisturizing the skin. And you can do this with tons of different products, but I love how effective and quick and beautiful a sheet mask is. I don't use sheet masks all the time, but if you want to do a really flawless glass skin look, I think a sheet mask is an easy hack. And I have a few that I love. I'll link them all in the description below, but I'm trying these ones from Loops. It's a brand new brand. They just sent these to me, and I love the packaging. They're beautiful. I went through every single ingredient and made sure it was completely non-toxic. So it's non-toxic, and I used the under eye mask, but this is the first time I'm going to try the full face mask. So this is the weekly reset mask. It is hydrating, moisturizing, all the things. So I'm going to apply this mask, and then just for kicks, I'm going to use a little roller on top, make sure that it all saturates and hydrates and gives skin a dewy, plump start before we finish the rest of the glass skin tutorial. It seems like such a luxury, but I know in Korea, a lot of people do sheet masks every single day, which is amazing. I wish I was on that level. Ooh, and it just feels so, so good. Oh my gosh. Another funny thing about sheet masks is you just notice how your face delineates from averages, because if it doesn't fit your nose or your chin, or in my case, my forehead, you're like, yeah, I'm unique and beautiful. And my, you know, large forehead is what makes me really special. Glass half full, babies. Ooh. Now I'm like almost superhero mode. Do you feel like a superhero when you put on a sheet mask? I love to put it on and then just scare my dog and scare Nate. Linda and Nate think I look crazy when I have these on. So while we have this on, we might as well just have a little chat and a little update, and let's just be honest with ourselves right now. So quarantine week 10, highs and lows, pros and cons. One pro, Nate and I got these matching robes from Parachute. I absolutely love it. It's called the Cloud Cotton Robe, and of course I would want to get white. I want white everything, even though I'm the biggest hot mess express. I absolutely spill everything. Skincare, makeup, my daily green smoothie, coffee, you know, hot sauce, all the things all over myself at all times. But Nate was like, we should get the green ones first of all because they're a little more masculine, and I wanted him to be happy. And I'm just going to insert a cute little couples pic, which I convinced him to take. And yeah, so we got the green ones, very happy, very comfortable, lightweight, really nice. And now when I spill myself, it won't be a problem. Woohoo! So that's my rose, is these brand new robes. And my thorn is the fact that it's almost Gemini season, which is the best season of the year, obviously, for all my Gemini loves out there. I feel you, I see you. We are very special, and we like to celebrate our birthdays, and I love using my birthday as an excuse to get away, just have a nice little time with Nate and relax and, you know, drink cocktails by a pool somewhere and just really celebrate by ourselves. And we had a trip planned to go to Palm Springs and stay at the Ace, which is a place where I told him I loved him for the first time. It's just really nostalgic, and Palm Springs is just the place we love to go. And due to the global pandemic, sadly, no hotels are open in the state of California. There's nothing really we can safely do and legally do as far as going away. So that's my thorn. I had a nice little cry about it yesterday, but I'm trying to be really glass half full right now. We will go and celebrate my birthday at a later time. I know there's bigger things going on in the world, but if you're someone who has spent their birthday in quarantine, just know that I love you. I'm sending you so much empathy and support and all my positive vibes, because you're still allowed to be sad about it, because I'm a little sad about it. And, you know, we can go walk along a beach or go hiking, which not everyone gets to do. So trying to be glass half full, but those are my roses and thorns. And this is totally a bonus step, but if you have a quartz roller or a jade roller or an ice roller or any little rolling device, put it in the fridge, chill it, and then do a little minute or 2 minutes of rolling over your skin just to really get all the beautiful serums into your skin, and it feels so, so good. You know, any little moment of bliss during quarantine, just enjoy it and make it more of a luxury spa-like treatment. It seriously feels so good. And I do like the quartz rollers a little better than the cheap jade ones, because the cheap jade ones usually aren't real jade. Real jade is hundreds of dollars. So if you find just a cheap quartz one, quartz is a really hard material, so you're not absorbing any dirt or bacteria or crud into the roller and then using it on your skin again, which could make you break out. So use one that's either real jade, which I don't even think you should spend your money on that, or a nice little quartz one. Or if you have, like I said, if you have an ice roller. There you go. And she is feeling like a little dewdrop already. I mean, I think you can probably see how much that hydrated my skin in just 10 minutes. So now we're gonna add a few more products just to add a little bit more hydration, moisture, seal it all in, and that will be your final glass skin routine. That's all you need, and your skin will look beautiful just as it is without anything else. So the first serum that I'm going to use is a brightening vitamin C serum. I have been still loving this Beauty Counter vitamin C. If you have any kind of more light serum, so something with hyaluronic acid, something a little bit more brightening, vitamin C is a great option. So I'm going to, I like a lot of serum, you know, put that all over my skin. And down into the neck, don't forget the neck, and a little in the décolleté, and you're gonna pat it in or slap it in, bring a little blood flow to the skin, really get all the reuptake and absorption of all those beautiful nutrients. This is also a Korean technique. I mean, I'm just learning so much from the Koreans about skincare and beauty, and they are just on top of it. Okay, now that that's on there, I'm gonna spray this restorative tonic mist from January Labs. It's just my favorite mist of all time. It's pretty affordable for how fantastic it is. And this is just gonna seal in that lighter weight serum. It is truly amazing if your skin is dehydrated at all, how much it will absorb and suck in. My skin is feeling dry, so just all these different layers give you that really glowy sheen to your skin. It is all about just application order. And last but not least, I'm gonna apply a thicker, more oil-based serum, or you could also use a moisturizer. This is gonna moisturize the skin, whereas hydration is more about water, so we're using lighter weight things. Now we're gonna go into the oils that are moisturizing. I've been loving this Up Circle coffee oil face serum. It has jojoba oil, it has coffee oil. It gives you a beautiful sheen to your skin, and it doesn't break out my skin at all. So it's a fantastic one. Plus, it's only $20. It's a serum that I unboxed with the huge Credo unboxing, and I feel like for the price, it is such a great product, and it's something that will give you that dewy glow. Oh, it's so, so good. And now that we have this oil on the skin, I'm gonna do a little bit of a facial massage. I have one side of my skin that definitely has more laxity. This is the side I sleep on. I tried not to, but this tissue is always a little bit lower. So I'm gonna do a little facial massage, try to lift it up, raise it. I mean, how much does it really work? I truly don't know, but it's worth a try. And now that we have a little more quarantine time on our hands, it's the perfect time. Try a little facial massage. It for sure helps your product absorb a little better, so we are not mad. Voila! It is so transformative. My skin looks 10 times better, younger, plumper, more lively. It looks pretty darn glassy, if I do say so myself. I'm very, very happy. And now, to complete this whole experience, you're gonna go over to my loves Carson Stern's channel. You're gonna watch her video on how to do a foundation-free glass skin makeup tutorial. She is so knowledgeable. You're gonna learn so much. If you like the natural look, but you still wanna feel your best, especially if you're going outside, you're prepping for no quarantine days, you wanna learn her tips and tricks. So go to her channel, watch her video, and thank you so much for watching. I would absolutely love it if you enjoyed this video for you to give it a like, and let me know if there's anything specifically you wanna see for next week. I love taking all of your requests, and thank you so much for hanging out with me yet again on another quarantine day.